Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox and unwrap some of the items that my wife purchased. I guess some of this is the sheets, and she said something about nipple, whatever. I'm not sure what's the third one. So anyway, let's go and then unbox it. By the way, this video is not sponsored by any of this company. So go and then start with this one. It's called the nipple skin. Nipples skin original. So they have different colors. So I guess this one is like a beige color. They got like a brown, dark brown, and then black. And then this one is the size. So they have a size 1, small and medium, 3 inch. Size 2 is large and extra large. It's 4 inch. So there's a D plus cups. And then size 1 is A through C cups. And this one has ultra thin edges, invisible feel, matte finish, skin safe. And it is made in China. Got a nice hard box. What? It's almost like a silicone or the TPU material, although it's very, very soft and rubberized. I'm not sure if this is safe for her skin or not, because her skin is very sensitive. So go ahead and put that away. Go and check out this one. There's some of the best sheets. Oops. This one's 100% brushed microfiber. And this one is the queen size. This is two other pillow cases. It's pretty soft. And then bed sheets. Yeah, so this is very soft. Let's go and then check out this one. More sheets. So it's already a rib. And this one is the purple color. And this one's the cow king size. Again, two other pillow cases. And then this one is the full size, dark green color. Emerald green. All these are the luxury linens, 1800 brushed microfiber. Then that's it. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.